If you want to get Discord Soundboard Meme Sounds Pack 3, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step, from getting the download link to uploading the sounds into Discord, so you can use them in your own server. This is a quick and easy way to add meme sound effects to your Discord soundboard without guessing or wasting time searching everywhere. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the Discord invite link shown on screen. Once the invite page loads, accept the invite to join the server. This is important because the download link for Discord Meme Sounds Pack 3 is shared inside the server chat. After you've joined, go into the chat and use the search feature to look for the exact phrase Discord Meme Sounds Pack 3. This helps you find the correct post much faster instead of scrolling through messages one by one. Once you locate the message, download the file linked in the chat. Make sure the file has finished downloading completely before you move on. Next, go to your Downloads folder or wherever your browser saved the file. You'll usually need to extract the compressed folder first, so right-click the file and choose Extract, Unzip, or Open with your extraction tool. After extraction, you should see a folder containing the meme sound files. Take a moment to check that the files are there and that everything extracted properly. Now open Discord and go to the server where you want to use the soundboard. From there, open the server settings. In the settings menu on the left, find and click Soundboard. This is where Discord lets you manage and upload custom sound clips for your server. Once you're in the soundboard section, look for the Upload Sound option. Click it, then browse to the extracted meme sounds folder you opened earlier. Now select the meme sounds you want to upload. You do not need to upload everything if you only want a few specific sounds. Choose the clips that fit your server best and keep your soundboard organized. After selecting the files, Discord will ask you to enter a sound name. Type in a clear name for each sound so you can identify it easily later when you use it in chat or voice channels. When everything looks correct, click Upload. Discord will add the sound to your server soundboard, and once the upload finishes, the sounds will be ready to use. You can repeat the same process for any other sounds you want to add from the pack. And that's it. You've now downloaded Discord Soundboard Meme Sounds Pack 3. Extracted the files, and uploaded them into Discord. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy guides, download tips, and Discord tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.